I'm here to serve up some tasty food facts that will leave your taste buds tingling. Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible. Talk about sweet longevity. Ever wondered why onions make you cry? When you cut into an onion, it releases a gas that reacts with the water in your eyes, creating a mild sulfuric acid. That's why those tears start flowing. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Peanuts aren't nuts at all. They're actually legumes, related to beans and lentils. So the next time you enjoy some peanut butter, remember you're spreading legume love. Avocados are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They contain more potassium than bananas and are loaded with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Walk on, my friends. Speaking of bananas, did you know they are berries? That's right. According to botanical definitions, bananas qualify as berries, while strawberries are not. Nature sure has a way of keeping us on our toes. Moving on to chocolate, this delectable treat was once used as currency by the Aztecs. They valued cacao beans so highly that they were used as a form of money. Imagine paying for your groceries with chocolate bars today. Ever heard of the durian fruit? Known as the king of fruits, it has a strong odor that some find offensive, while others can't get enough of its custardy taste. It's a love it or hate it kind of fruit. Let's talk about the spiciest pepper in the world, the Carolina Reaper. This fiery pepper measures over 2 million Scoville heat units, making it a real tongue scorcher. Approach with caution. Did you know that the world's most expensive coffee comes from the poop of a civet cat? Kopi Luwak is made from coffee beans that have been eaten and excreted by these animals. Talk about a unique brewing process. Lastly, a single strand of spaghetti is called a spaghetto. So the next time you twirl your fork into a delicious bowl of pasta, remember you're enjoying some spaghettos. Food is not just sustenance. It's a world of fascinating facts waiting to be discovered. So go ahead, savor every bite, and relish the stories behind the flavors. Bon appétit!